Hello children, how are you? In the previous class we learned Tarun and the bird. Now we are going to learn some words. Okay? A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. Can, C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. C-A-N, can. C, yes, E-E, C. Yes, E-E, C. Run, R-U-N, run. R-U-N, run. Fly, F-L-Y, fly. F-L-Y, fly. Okay, next. But, B-U-T, but. B-U-T, but. Nest, N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. Pull, P-U-L-L, pull. P-U-L-L, pull. Nice, N-I-C-E, nice. N-I-C-E, nice. Feel, F-E-E-L, feel. F-E-E-L, feel. F-E-E-L, feel. Go to next. Tell, T-E-L-L, tell. T-E-L-L, tell. T-E-L-L, tell. Hurt, H-U-R-T, hurt. H-U-R-T, hurt. H-U-R-T, hurt. Chip, C-H-I-R-P, chip. C-H-I-R-P, chip. C-H-I-R-P, chip. C-H-I-R-P, chip. Room, R-O-O-M, room. R-O-O-M, room. R-O-O-M, room. Looks, L-O-O-K-S, looks. L-O-O-K-S, looks. L-O-O-K-S, looks. Shall we see one more time? All. What is this word, children? All. Next word. Can. See. Run. Fly. But. Nest. Pull. Nice. Feel. Tell. Hurt. What is this word? Chip. What is this word? Room. What is this word? Looks. Okay, children. Now we are going to learn story. All of us take a story book. Tarun and the bird. See the book, children. This is the title of the story. Tarun and the bird. Shall we read one more time? Tarun and the bird. Open the first page. This title of the story, Tarun and the bird. What is the story name, children? Tarun and the bird. Okay, open your first page. Chip, chip. What is the word, children? Chip, chip. Chip, chip. What is the word? Chip, chip. Finger on the line, children. Chip, chip. Chip, chip. Turn to the next page. Did. What is the word? D-I-D. Did. D-I-D. Did. Y-O-U. You. Y-O-U. You. Here. H-E-A-R. Here. H-E-A-R. Here. That. T-H-A-T. That. T-H-A-T. That. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. S-O-U-N-D. Sound. Did you hear that sound? Turn to the next page. What is the word? Already I told you. Chip, chip. What is the word, children? Chip, chip. Chip, chip. Turn to the next page. Tarun. Tarun looks around the room. Tarun looks. L-O-O-K-S. Looks. L-O-O-K-X. Looks. L-O-O-K-S. Looks. Around. 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 The. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Room. Room. R-O-O-M. Room. R-O-O-M. Room. Tarun looks around the room. Turn to the next page. W-H-A-T. What? W-H-A-T. What? W-H-A-T. What? W-H-A-T. What? Does. Does. D-O-D-O-E-S. Does. D-O-E-S. Does. Already you know that word. H-E. He. Very good. What is this word? See. S-E-E-C. S-E-E-C. What does he see? Turn to the next page. A bird that is hurt. B-I-R-D. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. That. T-H-A-T. That. T-H-A-T. That. Is. I-S. Is. I-S. Is. Hurt. H-U-R-T. Hurt. H-U-R-T. Hurt. Tarun wants to help. Tarun wants to help. What is the word, children? Tarun wants. T-O-2-H-E-L-P. Help. Finger on the line, children. A bird that is hurt. Tarun wants to help. Turn to the next page. See, children. See the page. T-H-E. What? Yes, very good. The. T-H-E. The. B-I-R-D. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Hops. H-O-P-S. Hops. H-O-P-S. Hops. H-O-P-S. Hops. Into. What is the word? into, I-N-T-O, into, hiss, H-I-S, hiss, H-I-S, hiss, H-I-S, hiss, hand, H-A-N-D, hand, H-A-N-D, hand, T-H-E, the bird hops into his hand, H-E-R, her, H-E-R, her, feathers, what is this word children? Feathers, finger on the line, feathers, 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 feel, 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 F-E-E-L, feel, F-E-E-L, feel, soft, 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 S-O-F-T, soft, S-O-F-T, soft, her feathers feel soft. The bird hops into his hand. Her feathers feel soft. Turn to the next page. What is the word? Very good children. Tharon. What is the word children? Tharon. P-U-L-L-S. Pulse. P-U-L-L-S. Pulse. What is the word children? Pulse. 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 Out. O-U-T. Out. O-U-T. Out. T-H-E. The. Very good. T-H-E. The. Thorn. What is the word children? Thorn. 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 T-H-O-R-N. Thorn. T-H-O-R-N. Thorn. Tharon pulls out the thorn. What is the word children? Thorn. Thorn. Turn to the next page. S-H-E, she. S-H-E, she. Tries. T-R-I-E-S. Tries. T-R-I-E-S. Tries. T-R-I-E-S. Tries. T-O. Two. Finger on the line. T-O. Two. Fly. F-L-Y. Fly. F-L-Y. Fly. But. B-U-T. But. B-U-T. But. Cannot. Cannot. What is the word children? Cannot. Cannot. S-H-E, she. Tries to fly but cannot. Once again I read the sentence. She tries to fly but cannot. Turn to the next page. What is the word? Yes, very good. Tharon. Tharon. Puts. Puts. P-U-T-S. Puts. P-U-T-S. Puts. Her. Her. H-E-R. Her. H-E-R. Her. Back. B-A-C-K. Back. B-A-C-K. Back. What is the word children? B-A-C-K. Back. In. I-N. In. I-N. In. Her. H-E-R. Her. H-E-R. Her. Nest. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Tharon puts her back in her nest. Turn to the next page. What is the word? Buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. B-U-Z-Z. Buzz. 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 What is the word children? Buzz. Bees. B-E-E-S. Bees. B-E-E-S. Bees. B-E-E-S. Bees. Swam. Swam. What is the word children? Swam. Swam. Around. Around. What is the word? Around. Around. Tharon. Tharon. Bus. Bus. Bees. Swam. around Tarun. Turn to the next page. What is the word? Yes, very good. Finger on the line. Bees. 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 Can. What is the word, children? C-A-N. Can. Sting. What is the word, children? Sting. 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 Ouch. 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 That. That. T-H-E-A-T. What? That. Hurts. H-U-R-T-S. Hurts. H-U-R-T-S. Hurts. Bees can sting. Sting. Ouch. That hurts. Turn to the next page. T-H-E. The. T-H-E. The. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. B-I-R-D. Bird. Flaps. What is the word? Flaps. Flaps. F-L-A-P-S. Flaps. F-L-A-P-S. Flaps. F-L-A-P-S. Flaps. Her. Her. Wings. What is the word, children? Wings. 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 Zoo. What is the word? Zoo. Shoe. Shoe. Bees. 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 The bird flaps her wings. Zoo. Zoo. Bees. What is the word? Zoo. Zoo. Bees. Turn to the next page. Tarun runs. What is the word? Runs. Runs. Home. What is the word? Home. T-O-2. M-A. Ma. M-A. Ma. Tarun runs home to Ma. Tarun runs home to Ma. Turn to the next page. What is the word, children? Big word. Something. Yes, very good. What is this? Something. 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 Smell. What is the word? Smell. 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 Nice. Nice. N-I-C-E. Nice. N-I-C-E. Nice. Something smells nice. Turn to the next page. Ma. M-A. Ma. H-A-S. Has. H-A-S. Has. Made. M-A-D-E. Made. M-A-D-E. Made. Cookies. 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 Ma had made cookies. Yum. So tasty. Yum. So tasty. Ma has made cookies. Yum. So tasty. Turn to the next page. H-E. He. Tells. T-E-L-S. Tells. T-E-L-S. Tells. Ma. M-A. Ma. A-L-L. All. About. 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 His. His. Day. D-A-Y. Day. D-A-Y. Day. He tells Ma all about his day. Once again, read the sentence. He tells Ma all about his day. Okay, children. See you next section. Bye bye.